So, you're almost done with your Revit electrical project, and it's time to create and print out the design drawings. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do that. 1. Make sure your electrical design is finalized. This means making sure all the components are in the right place, the circuits and connections are accurate, and there aren't any design conflicts or issues. Also, coordinate with the other disciplines involved in the project, like architecture, structural engineering, and mechanical engineering. Make sure everything works together and that there aren't any clashes. Lastly, run some quality checks using Revit's analysis tools to make sure everything meets standards and codes. 2. Prepare the drawings. Create the necessary plan views, elevations, sections, and detail views of your electrical design in Revit. Then, add all the necessary annotations, like dimensions, notes, and symbols. Also, set up title blocks with the project information, like name, sheet number, and date. 3. Customize the print settings. Make sure each viewport is properly scaled and fits within the sheet boundaries. If needed, adjust the view extents. Use the Visibility/Graphics Overrides (VG) dialog to control what's visible in each view and adjust line weights, colors, and other graphical settings for clarity. Fill in the title block with the relevant project information. 4. Print the drawings. Open the Print Setup dialog, choose the printer, and configure the print settings. Then, select the visible portion of the current window or specific views/sheets. If you're printing to PDF, choose a PDF printer. Configure additional settings like zoom, offset, and print range using the Setup button. Preview the print to make sure everything looks good, and then click OK to print the drawings. If you're printing to PDF, save the files before you do that. 5. Review and distribute the drawings. After printing, check the drawings for any errors or issues, like clarity or readability. Once you're satisfied, distribute the printed drawings or PDFs to the relevant stakeholders, like contractors, architects, and engineers, so they have the documentation they need for construction or further review.